Assalamualaikum प्यारे बच्चों, welcome to Lions International Publishers, and as you know the book which we are doing is Maths for 4+ years, and till now we have done a lot of concepts like comparisons, numbers, number names, and the last thing which we have done was the concept of tens and units. हमारा आज का जो लेसन है it is very simple because we are just going to do the counting up till number 11, लेकिन हम उसको करेंगे units and tens से relate करके. जी हमारी आज का जो बुक का पेज है it is going to show you some units. फिर जब हमारा unit 10 units complete हो जाएंगे and then we are going to add one more unit to make it more clear that 10 and 1 unit will make what number. Today's lesson is a quick revision of the concept which we have done in the last lesson. So let's quickly jump onto our today's page. So it says counting with base 10 blocks. ये जो आपको picture में नजर आ रहे हैं, these are called as base 10 blocks. You are going to count and read. ठीक है, there is no written work over here. आपने सिर्फ count करते जाना है and read करते जाना है. Here is written introducing tens and units. Here is the column of 10 and here are the units. So if we have 1 unit, then the number 1 is here. 2 units, number 2. 3 units, 3. 4 units, 4. 5 units over here, 5. 6 blocks, 6. 7 blocks, 7. 8 blocks, 8. And 9 blocks, 9. अब यहाँ पे आ गए हमारे पास 10 blocks. So one group of 10. And when we jump onto the number 11, we have 10 purple blocks which are showing 1 unit of 10, which are showing one group of 10 and 1 unit separately. Yes. The purple ones are one group of 10 and 1 unit. So 10 and 1 together they will make 11. Teacher's note, divide the students into groups to practice counting aloud from 1 to 11. Instructions for teachers. Dear teachers, आज का जो हमारा concept है, it is the revision of the concept which we did last time. Because बच्चों को उस concept में writing से ज़्यादा उनका जो hands-on activities हैं वो ज़रूरी हैं. So that is why there is some base 10 units given which they are going to count and then match it with the number. Yes, count the blocks and say the number. Count the blocks and say the number. And when they will reach 10, they will count it as one group of 10, 10 and 1, 11. So in today's lesson, they are just going to count the blocks and read the numbers. Scan the QR code and come on to this video and show the kids this video as well. Instructions for parents. Dear parents, आज का जो हमारा concept था, that was the reinforcement of the concept which we did last time with some base 10 units. Students are just required to count the blocks and say the number. Count the blocks and say the number so that they will be clear about tens and units. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये था हमारा आज का लेसन. हम दोबारा मिलेंगे एक नए लेसन के साथ, एक नए कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.